How's it going, guys? Dylan from Luxury Lives On, and I hope everyone's doing well today. Actually, sorry, tonight. I'm not used to saying tonight. Well, it's not a typical video. As you can tell from my breath, I'm not exactly calm because we're in a huge rush to take delivery of a Maserati Quattroporte GTS. That's right, it's gonna be my dad's new daily, and well, I get to live vicariously through him. And we're gonna continue that tonight because the dealership is staying open late just so that we can pick it up. I better shut up, we better get going. Let's go pick up our new Maserati. A bit of a rush. All right, so we kind of need to get in that lane, and people don't generally let people in M4s because people M4s don't generally let people in either. Oh God, let us in, please. Oh, and the lights are broken tonight. Oh, I'll try to put some lights on here so you can kind of see me. But basically, we're in La Jolla, which is like 2-lane roads. Plus it's rush hour, which wasn't exactly the best idea. But I don't know, it's just hard sitting here in traffic. We're so excited to see the car. Cross your fingers, we'll get there soon. All right guys, we have arrived. The holy place, O'Gara coach. Look at all the Lambos already inside. Just a taste of what's to come. I cannot wait to see this thing, and we're blocked, right. Alright guys, we have finally arrived at O'Gara Coach, which is basically Disneyland for cars, as you can see. I can't see our car quite yet, but this is the general dealership. They got Rolls's, Bentleys, and as you'll see over here, many Lambos. So I'm gonna try to stop loitering outside and see if we can get in here. Alright, they are moving the car blockade here for us so that we can pull in the driveway. Apparently all these freaking apartment complexes here, they just take O'Gara's parking, so they've been blocking it at night. But driving the M4 in right now as we speak. This is our current family car as donated by my brother. So if we're trying to be practical and have multiple people in the car, we use this, but that's why the Maserati is so important. Oh, look at that thing. Alright guys, we have made it inside. Thank God they have let us in the building. It's freezing cold and sexually frustrating when you have to sit outside looking at these. But without further ado, here is our new Maserati Quattroporte GTS.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind.
Alright guys, well here we are. This is our brand new Maserati Quattroporte GTS, and most importantly, as you can see, it's sold. Now, just to start off with, I love the looks of this specifically because, well, it's kind of like the spicy sedan on the market. You have the S-Class, the A8, and you know, we didn't even think about this car, and well, it's just a fun alternative, and there's such value as well right now. Now, in addition to that, the thing I love the most about it is it's not your typical boring white, gray, black color. It's in this very nice, highly metallic blue, close to BMW Jerez black almost. You have black in certain angles, gets highly metallic blue other angles. But it's just pretty, but at the same time it's really classy. It doesn't have, you know, that crazy Ferrari, Maserati red color or whatever it is. It doesn't stand out too much, but at the same time it's not boring. Now, just to talk about some of the features on the car that I love. Obviously the blacked out grille. We're thinking about doing other blacked out trim on other of the chrome sections here. Let me know what you guys think about that. But I love the rims, very cool upgraded rims. red brake calipers. You have that classic triple Quattroporte vent that was on the original. And then as we go around, It's really, really cool at the back. We obviously have quad exhaust, and then the very important GTS badge, which I'll tell you about right now as we come to the engine. If I can get this thing open, that'll be embarrassing. Got it. All right, so what this means, the GTS, is the original one is a V6, and you can upgrade to the GTS, which is a V8, meaning you have 530 horsepower, 4.20 to 60, and believe it or not, 190 miles an hour. It's just a rocket ship, guys. And let's go on in the interior. So we have a very typical black interior, 2-pane windows, which is a nice surprise. Have those on the Rolls Royces and the Bentleys, and it just adds for extra sound deadening. GTS badge here to remind you. And then it's just a very pretty place to be. It's very, very comfortable. I'll try to put on some lights in here. And you got the typical blue little dashes here. A incredibly ugly, terrible Chrysler GPS screen. Please try not to look at that. Piano black wood. The seats are gorgeous. I mean, look at the stitching in here. White contrast stitching. It's a very, very comfortable place to be. And yeah, we are very, very excited. Let's quickly go to the back. And you can see that contrasting stays here, and then the obviously crest, Maserati crest, is in the seat as well. Now this is a nice place to be, guys, specifically because, well, you can fit things back here. Most sedans today are all about the front and they neglect the back, and it's just crappy. But this is very, very nice. You have sunshades that come up, also 2-pane window glass here, and then Alcantara headliner as well here. So just a very nice place to be. I apologize for the bad lighting. Obviously it's nighttime, but God, I am very, very excited. I'm gonna be stealing this from Daddy a lot. And I guess just don't tell him. They are moving this Bentley out of the way for us so that we can take her out. Such a crazy showroom. I even neglected this 918, but I mean, just look at this. I've done past videos here, guys. Unbelievable stuff. Great inventory. All right, guys, they are moving it out. I think we can get used to that. Guys, so that is it, our new addition to the family, the Quattroporte GTS. Now the BMW i8 is obviously gone, and this is here to replace it. It's probably going to be a little bit more practical, but I don't think it's going to be less fun. You heard it out there, and it is an absolute rocket ship. Now guys, we're going to be doing more in-depth stuff on the car, and we're going to actually obviously drive it too. I didn't mean to be a teaser here today, but obviously it's dark as hell and it's just not going to be fun, and they're casually driving a Bentley in. Love this place. Anyway guys, if you liked the video, give it a like. If you want to see more of my content, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Down in the deep of my mind.